here for a long time. I want to talk about his kindness. Kindness will lie at the shoe. That's what we see. The Baba Mambo West, like Pazera, Vadiki, na president. But the patience, the respect he has. But because you didn't be what of one of the teachings, one of the waste, we are connected to our better, he keeps giving. So, my one of the he is a loving man, he is a kind man, he is a man with a heart. If you are to be a leader, you must have a heart. You must have kindness. There is no leader who can lead without being kind and without forgiving. You must be able to forgive. There's no Kamusanga, there's no Tauba. I tell you, I'm going to tell you, there is no Sarah. But he tolerates. But tolerating is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength. A top security person will become one of the first national minister of state security after independence. Kuti titi vakapfusa ivanga intelligence yenyika yese. A lion kuti ndipedze inopinda musango chivhima yoti iyo ndiyo mhuka yandikuda. Haibvise ziso pane mhuka iyo. Inoramba ichingoti zimbicha. Chinoonetsa mhuka iyi inova lion. Iyo lion yasvika close. By the time inoataka hausina nguva yedu saka musati havasi kuona. And I was back to the vanochiza kuti vataka ipi kazhinji kacho vakawanda vanoizvi true, and a lion will not waste its energy on a rabbit. It will rather go for the His Excellency, yes, ndaona college kunyamwipo pano sora ndinosenzo committee member varipo pano Sumukai. When I order the book, I members His Excellency, kind man, a forgiving man, which if you add the two means leadership. Give